Good day. If you want to work on, if you want to work with some if, you can go through this process. I added data validation so that it will make it easier. So now these are the products I want to look out for. I want to sum the numbers of 7 up we sold for the whole period. Now I'll copy it to a new sheet to get the unique products there. So then I'll remove duplicates via here. Remove duplicate. Yes, the same thing. I'll do the same thing to the remark. So some if works with multiple criteria. You can add as many criteria as you want, as many criteria that you want. Remove duplicate. So that is. So let me add a data validation to cell D5 for the product names. So data validation list. Where's the source now? Then okay. So I've done the data validation for the product list. So see all products here. So the same thing, I'll do the same thing for this remark. Data validation list. Where's the source? The source is here. So if if is asking for any criteria now, I'll pick these two empty cells as my criteria 1 and criteria 2. Okay, so let me put the formula in F5 equals to sum ifs. The first argument is sum range. What do you want to sum? We want to sum the whole quantity here. So that is the first argument. Then comma criteria range. Where are we looking? What are we looking for? Where does the product appear? The product we are looking for, where does it where can we find it? So this is where we can find the products. Then comma. So it's not saying criteria 1. So it's because we are using product range for the criteria 1, so we'll pick the cell D5, which has our product validations there. So that will be our first criteria 1, comma. So it's saying criteria 2 now. The second criteria I want to look at for now is either sales, transload internal, balance of forward, or thereabout. So this will be our criteria in 2. Then comma is asking for the criteria 2. So that will be cell E5. Then we'll close our parentheses, then okay. So because we've not imputed anything here, we have a 0. So now let me go for Lacasera. And let me look at the balance roll forward for Lacasera. The balance roll forward is 1. So let me look for another product. Let's say Pepsi. The balance roll forward is 309. Then how many sales do we have? We have 509. So it means we have some balance before we start selling. So that is how SUMIFS works. So it's not more than that. It's very simple. So these are sales for Indomie table. Let me enlarge so you see it. These are sales for Indomie table, but the balance roll forward is how many? That's 1,700. So the sales is this. How many do we transload out? We translated 1,000 out. Then we did not receive any transload internal. So that is that for some if. If you have any question, do well to ask. Thank you very much.